Android users, beware. Your private conversations could be at risk due to a new wave of malicious apps. But here's the twist, these apps don't just steal your data, they exploit your emotions. A dozen apps, a single sinister purpose. A recent investigation by ESET researchers has uncovered a cluster of 12 seemingly harmless Android apps with a dark secret. These apps, including Rafaqat, Privee Talk, and MeetMe, among others, are designed to record your conversations discreetly. But that's not all, they also steal your contacts, messages, and location data, all while masquerading as innocent messaging platforms. The Trojan horse of romance. What makes this threat particularly insidious is its approach. Attackers create fake profiles on popular messaging apps like Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp, luring unsuspecting victims into engaging conversations. Over time, they build trust and then suggest switching to a better messaging app, which is, in reality, a Trojan horse. This app, carrying the VajraSpy spyware, is engineered to deceive and invade privacy. The human factor. The success of this scheme lies in its exploitation of human emotions. By creating a sense of romance and connection, attackers lower victims' guards, making them more susceptible to suggestions. This is a powerful tactic. As noted by a security analyst, romance can be a weapon as much as a lure. Once the app is installed, the spyware quietly collects personal data, turning private moments into a surveillance nightmare. The list of offenders. The following 12 apps have been identified as carrying the VajraSpy spyware. Rafaqat, Privee Talk, MeetMe, Let's Chat, Quick Chat, Chit Chat, YohoTalk, TikTok, Hello Cha, Nidus, GlowChat, WaveChat. 6 of these apps were available on Google Play, accumulating over 1,400 downloads before their removal. However, they continue to spread through sideloading, emphasizing the need for vigilance. The spyware's capabilities. VajraSpy is a sophisticated malware with an extensive reach. It can record ambient audio and phone calls, capture SMS and chat content, and track your every move with precise GPS data. It may even harvest device metadata, expanding its capabilities further. And with accessibility misuse, it can manipulate your device without raising alarms. Why you might fall for it. The scammers' tactics are designed to exploit basic human psychology. They build trust through consistent, empathetic communication, making their victims feel understood. By pacing the conversation, they make the app installation seem like a natural, urgent step. This emotional investment blinds victims to technical red flags, making this a masterful example of social engineering. Protecting your privacy. To reduce the risk and detect such threats early, adopt these habits. Stick to official app stores and avoid APK links in private chats. Examine developer details, permissions, and post-install behaviors. Read user reviews for fraud indicators. Keep your Android system updated and enable Google Play Protect. Grant only essential permissions to apps. Invest in a trusted mobile security suite. Warning signs. Be vigilant for signs like rapid battery drain, unexplained data usage, and persistent background activity. Unexpected microphone access requests should raise alarms. If you notice notifications that flash and disappear, it might indicate stealthy activity. And if your contacts receive strange messages from you, it's a red flag. Post-removal actions. If you've uninstalled a suspicious app, don't stop there. Perform a full device scan using reputable security software. Change critical passwords, especially for messaging, email, and banking. Review and revoke excessive app permissions. Stay alert for suspicious account activity. The takeaway. This campaign showcases the dangerous fusion of technical sophistication and emotional manipulation. By understanding these tactics, you can fortify your defenses. Remember, awareness, caution, and permission management are your best tools to keep your Android privacy intact. But are these measures enough? Share your thoughts on how we can stay one step ahead of such sophisticated threats.